Hello everyone. So today the remaining part of this chapter number 3. You can see river basins of the northern plains. This is the part of the northern plains and many rivers are flowing towards this region. Okay, so when the river is flowing towards the region, it makes its basins. As you can see, this is river Ganga. It's Ganga basin. Satluj river is also flowing in this region, so it's a Satluj basin. And from here Brahmaputra river is entering in India, and this region is known as Brahmaputra basin. So these three basins we are having. The northern plain consists of three basins named after the three major rivers: the Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin, and the Satluj basin. The area through which the river and its tributaries flow is called the basin. What are tributaries? A river or a stream flowing into a large river, means these small rivers are coming and joining this large river. These are known as tributaries. So the Ganga basin is the most densely populated region of the northern plains. This region, of course these northern plains are highly populated region. Okay, this one is clear. Now come on the desert. The Thar desert is located in the western part of India. Where it is located, just see, have a look on this part, yellow part. This all the Thar desert. It extends from Rann of Kutch of Gujarat towards the border of Haryana, from here to here. Clear? See now in your book, the desert stretches from the Rann of Kutch, as I have told you, in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana in India. It covers major parts of western Rajasthan and extends into Pakistan. Of course, it is covering the major parts of Rajasthan and extending towards the Pakistan. This is, of course, the desert. When you listen the name of the desert, it comes to your mind where the scarcity of water is there. So there is very little or no rainfall in this area. Apart from a narrow river, there is only one river is there, that is river Luni, and else no other river you will find in this area. Due to very little rainfall, the climate is dry and the soil is very sandy soil. As you can see in this picture, sand, all the soil is present in the form of sand. At most of the places, the land is covered with large sand dunes. Sand dunes are the small these are known as the sand dunes, small hill type looking things. So due to very hot climate, there are only few towns and villages in this part of the Rajasthan. Very hot climate is there, so people are not mainly want to live in these areas, and the life is also very tough. Plants such as cactus and babool grow here as they do not need much water. Only these types plants you will find where the plants which don't need so much water, so they can grow in those parts. And they are having spines also. Spines through water in them, and the leaves are quite fleshy. However, there are some areas in the desert which are where water is found, and those areas are known as oases. And when the water is present in those areas, plants are also you will find in those areas. So zoom in. Due to scarcity of water in the desert, women have to walk long distances to fetch water for household needs. Sometimes women work as water carriers, means some rich people in villages paid some poor families and they work for them, and they fetch water from far areas and give them. So this is clear, and these women are known as paniharis. So come on the next page. Date palm trees and few crops such as wheat, barley, maize, jowar and bajra are grown here where the water is found in oasis area. Life in desert, of course, life is not so easy. Mainly people live around oasis. Apart from growing a few crops, the villagers in the desert keep goats, cattle and camels. Camel is the ship of the desert. Camel is the most important means, as it is made for desert area only. They can walk for long distances without food and water. Camels are also used for plowing and drawing water from the wells. They provide milk, and their hair is used to make clothes. These are the main points, you should underline these things. They provide milk, and their hair is used to make clothes. Camel skin is used for making tents. Clear? Some people in the desert do not have means they are known as banjaras. They don't live permanently there. When the weather is so hot they leave that area and move to another places in search of food and water, and they are known as nomads or banjaras. The desert, of course, the place is quite beautiful also to see, so it attracts many tourists. Other parts of in India, some parts of like Rajasthan, you have listened the names of these cities: Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Jaisalmer, and Ranthambore. Ranthambore is a national park. Are the popular tourist destination. Main festivals as Teej, Gangor, Holi, Dashera, and Diwali are celebrated here. The desert is famous for its handicrafts and wood, stone, and beads jewelry. These are woodwork. Many things you will get of wood, stones, and beads work is also very famous of these Rajasthan. Okay, clear. Panoramic view of blue city of Jodhpur, Rajasthan, India, with the Mehrangarh Fort and the Jaswant Thara Mausoleum. See, this is the view, and these things are there. This one is clear. Now come on the coastal plains. These coastal plains tomorrow you are going to read. So this one is clear. Thank you.